Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start our new chapter of maths. That is chapter number 3. And name of the chapter is addition of two-digit numbers, or you can say double-digit addition. Children, you have learned addition in your lower class, right? Now, I think you all know this sign. This is a sign of addition and we call it plus. You all know this sign now? Yes, children. The result of this addition is called sum. What do we call it? Sum. Addition means putting two or more things together or two or more numbers together and counting them all. Let us see an example of it. Now you can see on the board, we have put down two numbers together and after adding it, we get the sum of the number. Like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is the sum of these two numbers. The next number is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is the sum of these two numbers. Let us see one more example. Yes, by adding these two numbers, number 1 and number 6, we get the sum which is number 7. Understand, children? Now one more picture for you. 2 plus 5. Very funny picture. I know you all like it. Okay, so when you add 2 number and 5 number, you will get answer, that is sum. Sum. What is the sum of these two digits? 7. Yes. Understand? So, when you put two numbers together and count them, you will get the sum of that number. Okay? Now, children, while adding the numbers, even if the order of the numbers is changed, the answer is same. You can see in this picture, we have number 5 and number 3, right? So when we add 5 and 3, we will get the sum 8. Now, if we change the order, 3 plus 5, you can see downwards, 3 plus 5, the sum is again 8. So you understand? If we change the order of the numbers, we will get the same answer. Right? See one more example. Here we have 4 circles of green color and 3 circles of yellow color. Okay, so we will write it like 4 plus 3. So what you will get? 7. Okay, now change the order. Now we have put 3 yellow circles in the first place and 4 green circles in the second place. We change the order. So now when we add both of these numbers, 3 plus 4, again we get the same number. So I think you understand this. If the orders are changed, right, we will get the same answer. One more examples for you, right? Apples, red apples and green apples. So see, we have here 4 red apples and 2 green apples. When we add both the numbers 4 plus 2, we will get the answer 6. Right? Now change the order of the apples. Now I have placed green apples at first. So now we have 2 green apples and 4 red apples. We will add it. 2 plus 4. Again, the same answer we have here, 6. So you understand, children? Good. One more is for you. Surprise. Yes. Now, children, add this. 3 apples in the first circle and 2 apples in the second circle. And you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 apples. Now, we have changed the order. 2 apples in the first circle and 3 apples in the second circle. Again, when we count it, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Have you seen? We get the same answer. Now, look at the board, children. Again, I am explaining you the same thing with 2-digit numbers, right? Now you can see in the example, we have 30 plus 40. We have 2 numbers here, number 30 and number 40. When we will add both the numbers, we will get the sum 70. Now, the order we have to change. Now we will put 40 at the first place and 30 on the second place. So again, let us add it. 40 plus 30, what is this? Again we get 70. Now you understand? Yes, children. If the order of the number is changed, the answer we get is always same. Now, come to the next page. See here, what I have written here? 0. I think you all know about 0. Children, 0 added to any number. If we add 0 to any number, it gives the same number, right? When we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number itself. Examples are here on the board for you. See, I have 2 apples here and I have to add 0 in it. Now, see children, when we add 2 apples plus 0, what you will get? 2 apples, right? Second example. The first number we have 32. When we add 0 to 32, we will get the number itself. We will get the same number, that is 32. In the same way, if we add 0 in the number 19, we will get the number itself, that is 19. So children, you understand it? I think you understood it very well. So always remember this, that whenever we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number itself as answer. Okay. Now children, we will learn addition of 2-digit numbers by different methods. So here on the board, I have drawn abacus for you. You can see, right? So, one of the method of adding the numbers is with the help of abacus. As you can see here on the board, I have drawn 2 stripes of, yes, what? Abacus. I have explained you it earlier also in the previous exercise, right? So you can see I have written here ones and tens for each stick. So the first stick from the right hand side is of ones place and the second stick is of tens place. So there are two group of numbers on the board. The first group is of 23 plus 34 and the second group is 13 plus 42. So we need to add these numbers on abacus. So please see the place value of the numbers. As you can see, the first group of number 34. So 4 is on ones place and 3 is on tens place. Come to the next number 23. 3 is on ones place and 2 is on tens place. Same with the second group. Number 13 plus number 42. So number 2 is on ones place and 4 is on tens place. Right? In number 13, 3 is on ones place and 1 is on tens place. So let us count. Yes. So what we have to do, we have to make beads. You can see in the picture. So let us take the first number from the right hand side, that is 34. So how many ones are here? 4. 4 ones we have. So I am taking green color for number 34. So because we have 4 at ones place, we will draw 4 beads where? Yes, under ones place. So see children, I have drawn here 4 green beads. Now number 3. Number 3 is on tens place. So we have to draw 3 beads on tens spike. Yes. So please draw 1, 2 and 3 beads. You can also draw in your copy. Fine. Now the second number we have is 23 and I have taken here red color for 23. So 3 is at ones place. So we need to draw 3 beads on one spike and 2 on tens spike. Okay children, now what we have to do? We have to count all the beads which is on one spike. So let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have to write 7 under this ones spike. Now come to the tens spike. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here at ones place we got the number 5. So the number we get is 57. Understand children? Now come to the next example. Here we have 13 and 42. Same we will do. Let us take the first number 42. Again I am taking green color for 42 and red color for 13. So we have 2 at ones place. So we will draw 2 beads of green color on ones spike. So you can see I have drawn 2 beads. Now the second number is 4. 4 is at tens place. So we will draw 4 beads of green color at tens spike. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Done? Now come to the next number, that is number 13. So we have 3 on ones place and 1 at tens place. So I will draw 3 beads of red color on one spike. So 1, 2 and 3. Now we have number 1 on tens place. So we will draw only 1 bead of red color on the tens spike. Done? Now let us count. Let us count the beads on the ones spike. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write here number 5. Come to the tens spike. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again we get 5. So the number is 55. Understand, children? Now come to the next method. So let us learn how to add these numbers in expanded form. Okay, I have taken the same numbers which we have taken previously on the abacus. Okay, now you can see in the board, you can see on the board number 23 and number 34. So we will add it with the help of expanded form. Okay, I have written these numbers here, you can see, with their place values. First of all, we will take number 23. So as I am speaking, 23. Okay, so 2 is at tens place. So we will write 2 tens plus 3 is at ones place. So we will write 3 ones. And we can write it here like 2020 plus 30. Plus 3. 2020 plus 3. Now the next number we have here 34. So we have 3 tens plus 4 ones. Again we can write it 3030 plus 4. Now children, we can start adding the numbers. So first of all, we will add tens. So here we have 2 tens and 3 tens. So let us count. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 tens. Yes. Plus. Now 3 ones and 4 ones. Let us count. 3 ones and 4 ones is equal to 7 ones. Now same we have to do here. Yes, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now plus 3 and 4. We will get here 7. So 50 plus 7. Or you can say 5 tens plus 7 ones. The sum we get here is 57. So I think you all understand how to add numbers in expanded form. Okay? Now, come to the third method. The third method is addition in columns. Okay, now we have discussed how to add numbers on abacus, how to add numbers in expanded form. Now I am going to tell you adding the numbers in columns. So let us take the same number again. Let us start adding the numbers. Okay, now you can see on the board we have again same numbers 23 and 34. So children, first you need to learn how to put the numbers in the column. You can see here I have drawn here a box and I have made 2 columns. The first column is for ones and the second column is for tens. So let us write the numbers. 23. So 2 we will write here at tens place and 3 under the ones place. Here I have put down the sign of addition, that is plus. The second number I will write here 34. So 3 under tens and 4 under ones. So children, now we will add these numbers in the given column. So the first column is of ones place. So we will add the numbers which is written in column ones. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So I will write number 7 in the column of ones. The second column is of tens. Now let us add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And we will write this number 5 in tens column. So the number we get is 57. It's very easy method. You all know this method very well, right? Now let us take the another number which we have taken previously on abacus. That is number 13 and number 42. Again we have two columns here. The column for ones and the other column is for tens. So let us add here. Under the ones place we have 3 and 2. Let us add children. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and we will write this 5 in the column. Which column children? Yes, in ones column. Now come to the next column, that is of tens. So add 1 and 4. We will get 5. So you get the number 55. Understand? Come to the next example. As I have told you before, whenever you will add 0 to any number, the answer is itself the number. So children, let us take this example. Now here we have number 38 and number 10. Now see the columns. Number 3 we will write under tens and 8 we will write under ones. For the next number 10 we will write 1 under tens place and 0 under ones place. So let us add. Now children, 8 plus 0. What you will get? Yes, number 8. So we will write 8 in the ones column. Okay, now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So we will write 4 under the tens place value, that is tens column. So the number we get is 48. So children, I taught you addition by using various methods. How to add the numbers on abacus, how to add numbers in expanded form, and how to add the numbers in columns. I hope you all have understood it well and you can do the exercise easily in your book. So please watch the video carefully, understand each and every method carefully. Thank you so much.